When creating a modern home for your family, you're not only concerned about its efficiency and style, the most important thing for you is your family's future. That's why IGLU Geothermal Heating is the best investment for you. You care about the best solutions. IGLU Geothermal Heating is a complex solution that takes years of engineering. Still, you don't have to think about it. All you have to do is use the highly user-friendly controls and enjoy a long-lasting, cost-effective service. You like efficiency. With IGLU Geothermal Heating, you won't have to worry about the cost of heating or cooling your home. Once you've invested in this technology, you won't have to deal with any other expenses for years to come. Instead, you can spend your finances on yourself and your family. You always take aesthetics into account. IGLU's designers understand this, and when creating the design, they ensure that the unit would perform its function and be a significant part of the interior at the same time. Safety is essential to you. That's why IGLU Geothermal Heating, which operates without fire and flammable materials, will make your life even safer. You value peacefulness. The IGLU system does not require an external unit, which means that the system operates quietly without making any noise. You see wider. You see beyond. That's why you choose IGLU, a geothermal heating and cooling system that uses the energy that nature provides for free, thus saving the planet. A planet where your children will live and build their homes.